Wearing your cologne.
If you want to create this edit, come along with me in this tutorial. You just need one video that you are eating apple. So open your video into the CapCut, go to the effects and body effects and go to the roll section and set it to aged. Then export the video. Open the CapCut again. Enter the age video of the subject and split the part that the subject is eating an apple and close her eyes. And slow down the speed of it. And add the video of the subject in her young age. From the place where you cut the video of the subject in the aged state, start the video of the subject in the young state from the same part. And just slow down the beginning of the video and put the transition then and now between the aged and young state of the subject. Then go to the effects and select the vibration flash. Go to the effects again and this one choose shake effect. Another effect that I use is lighting. Then I go to the sound section and put the trend music. And the last video effect that I use is magic. And I go to the filters and select a party tonight filter.
Wearing your cologne.
And that's it. I hope you like it. If you like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to share it with your friends.